Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Bookstore PHP web application. Let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Then open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the folders and then click the readme text. Here you can see the login details and then project URLs. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can see the database tables. Click the table name, you can view the data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel and then start the Apache and MySQL and then click the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the web browser. Then you can view the database tables. In Visual Studio Code, explore the web folder and then click the JS. Here you can see the Angular.js files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. And then click the readme text. Copy the project URL and paste to the browser. Here we have three roles: user, admin and vendor. Let's start with the user. If you are new user, click the new user. Here you have to register. Enter the name, email ID and password, mobile number. Once you do that, click the sign up button. The password must be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character and then numbers. So register successfully. And then enter the OTP, click the verify, it will be registered. If you already registered, enter the email ID and password and then click the login button, it will be login. Login successful. Here you can select the category or using the search options. Here you can select your item and then view the details. Click add to cart. So added successfully. Whatever has been added you can view here. If you want to remove or edit anything you can do it here. Here you can place your orders. Click the order now button. Now the order created successfully. Click the my order. Here you can view your orders. If you want to give any feedback, you can give here. Enter the name and feedback click the save button, it will be added. And then click my wallet. Here you can add the money and then view the wallet balance. Then move to the vendor. If you are new vendor, you have to register. Enter all the fields and then click the sign up button, it will be registered. If you already registered, you have to log in. Login successful. Here you can view the all products. Here you can search the product. And then click my product. Here you can view the product details. If you want to add a new product, click the add new products. Here you can enter all the fields and then click the save button, it will be added. Enter the name, description, price, size, quantity and shipping days, shipping charge, and then select the category and then enter the mobile number, locality. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. If you want to upload the image, click the upload image. Here you can upload. And then click add category. Here you can view the category details. If you want to add a new category, click the add new category. Here you can add the categories. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Here you can using the search option. And then click my sales. Here you can view the sales details. Here you can update the status, whether it is approval, shipping or delivery. And then click track location. Here you can enter the shipping area and tracking ID for update the tracking. And then click to address. Here you can view the customer shipping address. Next, move to the admin. Admin can approve the status. Click the update status. Here you can approve the status, whether it is approval, pending or rejected. And then click the review details. Here you can view the review details. If you want to delete anything, you can do it here. And then click the user details. Here you can view the user details. So this is a bookstore online shopping web application.
Code Shopping.